Advanced Clinicals, Wrinkle Repair, Retinol Night Cream, 4 fluid ounces, 118 milliliters. Product Overview Description. With vitamin E to improve elasticity, encapsulated retinol rapidly minimizes the look of deep wrinkles. Potent formula visibly restores volume with hyaluronic acid. Antioxidants firm and renew skin overnight for dramatic results. Targets: fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores, sagging skin, dryness. Spa size up to 250 treatments. Benefits: retinol is the #1 dermatologist-recommended skincare ingredient. Minimizes the appearance of deep wrinkles and sun damage. 4x the amount of most moisturizers. Attributes: retinol is the best defense against years of sun damage. Paraben-free, gentle alternative to prescription treatments. Technology: Wrinkle Repair Retinol Night Cream is guaranteed to visibly restore volume to areas prone to sagging and wrinkles thanks to powerful anti-aging effectiveness. Antioxidant-rich ingredients units to soften the look of harsh lines and deep wrinkles. Retinol is considered #1 ingredient by dermatologists because it has been proven to help fight against many skin conditions, helps promote a balanced skin tone, and diminishes wrinkles. Suggested use: use every night. Apply to clean, dry skin, or over your favorite serum. Make sure your serum has completely absorbed before applying Wrinkle Repair Retinol Night Cream. Gently pat cream over face, focusing on problem areas. Wipe any excess on tops of hands to fight the look of sun damage. Allow several minutes to absorb. Redness, tightness, or flushing may occur. This is normal and means the product is working. If irritation persists, reduce frequency of use to every other night. Gradually increase use to every night tolerated. Do not combine with other retinol products. As with any product, if rash develops, discontinue use and consult a doctor. Other ingredients: allobarbadensis leaf juice, caprylic, capric triglyceride, isopropyl myristate, polyglycerol 2-stearate, satyryl alcohol, bismolus, apple, fruit extract, glycerin, dimethicone, retinol, sodium hyaluronate, glycine, soja, soybean oil, Anthemus nobilis flower extract, bisabolol, allantoin, persicratissima, avocado oil, tocopherol acetate, satyryl phosphate, sodium polyacrylate, satyryl phosphate, sodium polyacrylate, satyryl dimethicone, ammonium acryloyl dimethyl taurate, VP copolymer, polyurethane cross polymer 1, caprolol glycol, ethoxyl glycerin, hexylene glycol, butylene glycol, phenoxyethanol, sodium hydroxide, disodium EDTA, fragrance. Warnings: for external use only. If irritation develops, discontinue use. If product enters eye, flush thoroughly with water. If accidentally ingested, contact a physician. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings, and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.